Cause I've been ballin' for a while now. I get money by the pile now. Every day I'm counting bands, yeah. I'm the motherfucking man, yeah. Bitches say they know my style now. Niggas tryna steal my style now. They know they can duplicate me, so all they can do is hate me. All these bands bustin' out my pocket, I can't hide it. Fuck that, bitch, I got them, they can't doubt it. 40 on me, it's a rocket, you can't stop it. Run up on me, I'ma pop it, please don't try it. All these niggas hating on me, cause I got my bands up. If you a broke nigga, just know I can't stand ya. No, I can't stand ya, no, I can't stand ya. If you ain't a real one, then I won't shake your hand, cause fuck these broke niggas, and these old bitches. I'm a touchdown, they act like I don't know niggas. If you ain't hold me down in jail, you should know nigga, that I don't fuck with you, cause I've been ballin' for a while.
I'm gonna show y'all a quick way how to keep y'all teeth white and how to get all the you know, like the nasty white parts that be stuck on your teeth or that be on your teeth. You know what I'm talking about, comment down below. But I'm gonna show y'all how to keep your teeth white and what I use on my teeth to keep it white. Let's get into the video. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification so you always get notified. If you're new to the channel, hey, how you doing? It's Chocolate Mermaid, and join the gang because we lit. You know, like bananas, right? How you use bananas, how you eat banana or whatever, and it always a peel that's left over, and a lot of people, they throw it out, and it's not good to just throw it out. It's also good for using on your teeth. My mom actually had told me that, like, it's good for your teeth. I think she watched on Dr. Oz. I don't know for sure. I'm gonna probably insert a little clip that's saying it's good for your teeth. And whatever, but you don't use the yellow side for your teeth. You use the white side, the inside, for your teeth. See, use this part for your teeth. And how you know that you used it all, the white part, is when it start looking like brown, like a little bit of brown, like how this one looking. It's looking brown, but I didn't use it all because I decided, oh, let me show y'all what I do. So you do this, you roll it on your teeth, all around your teeth. You get the whole peel. You get the whole peel. So keep doing it for a couple seconds. You see, this is the first round, and I use all this up. You see it turned brown, so I'm gonna just shoot that out in another thing, and I'm gonna break this. We gonna break it into sections, so it should be like 4 pieces I use. So this is the next peel. I haven't used it yet. You see how it's all white right now? Let's see. Let's go. So I'm gonna kind of do a close up. So I'm gonna do that. And it's good for your gums too. It's good to keep your gums being pink and stuff. I prefer everybody to do this because it really works. Still got a white heart. See, I used all this up, so throw that in the trash. We gonna use. You can save this and put it in the refrigerator for the next morning, but I'm gonna use this all tonight. And it's a little bit of banana. Just a little bit of banana. yeah. A lot of people don't like bananas, so if you don't like bananas, if you allergic, do not use this method. Like, I wouldn't want you to get sick. Okay, so this is the third one. Haven't used it. Use it on tea. And you don't want to eat it. You just let it sit there. See? Throw this one away. Last but not least is this one. It look like it been used, but it haven't either. So I'm just do this. It's done now. And after all that, hold on, let me turn my brightness down. This is how I look right now. Y'all, I don't like smiling, but this is how it looks now, and it looks literally white right now. But my next step I like to do is my toothbrush. Just literally have it covered up because you don't want to get germs onto your stuff, and you never know what's going to be on your toothbrush. I also use Colgate, but sometimes I use the white with baking soda. That's a good kind. It's orange. Yes, and I know y'all too. Make sure it's the right temperature. Okay, that's just right. I'm eating it. So I'm holding up. Get it out here. I'm gonna wet my toothbrush. Put my toothpaste. That's too good. Yeah. Nothing.